So in this video we are going to try and learn how to solve a Pyraminx. So before starting to solve a Pyraminx, we should basically know a physical overview of it. So a Pyraminx has 4 sides, each of one color, and for example blue has 3 pieces at its combined center. So here this piece and this piece are 3 centers of blue. These pieces are edge pieces because they have 2 colors, blue and yellow edge piece, blue green edge piece, green yellow edge piece, and so on. And these pieces are tips. These have 3 colors and they do not move. So firstly, get your cube scrambled up. When your cube is scrambled, the first step is to locate your tips. So tips are these pieces. I would like to start with blue. So I'll find where all the 3 blue tips are. Here I see one is here, another one is here, but the last one is not there. So blue will not be made on this side. Next I'll come to this side where I have a blue tip here, a blue tip here, but the last one is not there. Next I'll come to this. I see a blue tip here, a blue tip here, and one is here also, which means that this is the side where blue is going to be made. The next step is to insert centers. It requires only one move to insert a center. For example, here is blue to be made. One center we have already got. Next, we can just insert it like this and another one like this. All of these centers require only one move to bring them in their places. Next, we'll align the tips. After placing in the centers, we have to solve this first layer, which means to insert our edges. So the first edge we see is blue green, and blue green is going to be inserted here, which is blue green. So the first thing to make sure is that the edge is in front of the green side with blue facing towards us. Now it will be inserted here. We'll just move it away from the line and create this little block here. Then move the right side up, bring it back and insert it. Again, blue side facing towards us, create a little block moving out of the line, bring the right side up and just insert it. The next edge we see is this blue red. It is placed incorrectly but flipped incorrectly. So we'll first take it out, either way which we want. We could take it out like from bring the right side up, take it away, and then we have the blue facing us in front of red. So we'll move it away, create this block and insert it to its place. Another way is, earlier we took it from the right side, now from the left side we bring the left side up, move it away and then bring it down. Next we see blue in front of us, we'll move it away from the line, bring the right side up and insert it. Next edge we see is this blue yellow. We have it in its appropriate position, blue facing us, so we'll create a little block, bring the left side up, put it back and insert it. So after solving the first layer, we get to the second layer. We first align all the centers to its place, and here we get a total of 5 cases. The first case is we'll have either of the 2 edge pieces each matching with their centers. Here I have green matching with its center, which means it's a block. Here I have yellow with the block, and the last edge is not matching with either of the colors. So we'll put it on the back, the non-matching edge, and figure out where the block is. Here in this case the second block is here after putting it. So we'll perform an algorithm which is R prime, bring the right side down, L, bring the left side down, bring the right side up and the left side up. This is often known as a sledgehammer. After it, we'll see we have misaligned an edge from here. So like we inserted it, blue in front of us, create a little block, take it away and put it back. Here you get your cube solved. The next case is actually the mirror case of the earlier case where we had the non-matching edge at our back, this block at this side and this one at this side. Here we have this one at this side and the next at here. So we'll perform another algorithm which is L, left side down, right side down, left side up, right side up. We'll see we have misaligned another edge. So like normal, blue facing us, create a block, again blue facing us, create a block, right side up, a U prime and we insert it. The next case we have is in which we have all three headlights. A headlight is a pair of two matching colors, so we have red and red, a red headlight, yellow and yellow, yellow headlight, and green, green headlight. So here these headlights are going anti-clockwise. The red is going here, yellow is coming here and green is going here. They are moving anti-clockwise. They are going anti-clockwise, which means we will send them clockwise. So the algorithm for this case is we bring the left side up, L prime, U, left side down, U again, left side up, U again, and then left side down. Here we get the cube solved. This is another mirror case of the previous one, where we had the headlights going anti-clockwise, but now we have the headlights going clockwise, which means we will have to send them anti-clockwise. So the algorithm for this is bring the right side up, R, and we do a U prime, then R prime, right side down, again U prime, then an R, a U prime, and an R prime. The next case we have is where we have this edge placed fully correctly and these two are not flipped correctly. So here we perform the same algorithm as of the first case. If this block is at the left side, then we start from the right, we do an R prime, L, R, L prime. So we get this edge misaligned. So blue facing us, a block, left side up again, and we make it. So this is an previous case where we have this block and this block here and the non-matching edge at the back side. Then you do the perform the algorithm for this case, which was L, R prime, L prime, R. We get this edge misaligned and we simply insert it. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, don't be shy to drop a like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and stay tuned.